In the wild or the city, the right gear can mean the difference between success and failure. After years of testing countless blades in harsh conditions, I've learned what truly matters: reliability, design, and proven performance. The best tools become an extension of you, trusted, dependable, and ready for anything. If you could only own 3 knives for life, these are the legends you'd want by your side. Each has a story, a purpose, and a place in your everyday carry and survival kit. Today, I'm sharing the 3 blades that have earned their reputation through relentless real-world use. These are the tools you can count on no matter what chaos comes your way. Our journey starts in 1891 in the Swiss Alps, where soldiers needed a compact, versatile tool. Karl Elsener's Swiss Army knife was born, a multi-tool that fit in your pocket and tackled daily challenges. Its genius is versatility: a blade, can opener, screwdriver, and more, all in one. Whether you're slicing an apple, tightening a screw, or opening a can, it's always ready. I've carried one since I was a boy. It's often the first real knife people own. It teaches responsibility and preparedness, bridging the gap between urban life and the wild. The iconic red scales are a global symbol of readiness. It's not for heavy bushcraft, but for 99% of daily tasks and many survival scenarios, it's unmatched. The Swiss Army knife earns its place through cleverness and adaptability. It's the quiet professional in your pocket, always ready to solve problems. A piece of history, a design icon, and the foundation of preparedness. When you see one, you see a problem solver, not a threat. It's a true survivor. Fast forward to 1988, USA Benchmade emerges, focused on perfecting the folding knife. Lesta Asis's vision: use modern materials and engineering to create the ultimate blade. Benchmade isn't about quantity of tools, but flawless execution of one. The Axis lock changed the game. Ambidextrous, strong, and lightning fast to deploy or stow, even with gloves. This innovation made Benchmade a favorite among military, law enforcement, and serious outdoorsmen. Premium steels and high-tech handles mean these knives are built for hard use and reliability. I've trusted mine in everything from carving fire sticks to cutting myself free in emergencies. The Benchmade is the apex predator of folding knives: sleek, powerful, and ruthlessly efficient. It's the blade you bet your life on. For a primary EDC knife, it's an undisputed champion. Excellence and innovation in your pocket. The Leatherman story began in 1975. Born from a road trip and a need for pliers on the go, Tim Leatherman's idea, a pocket-sized multi-tool centered around pliers, surrounded by essential tools. After years of refining, the first Leatherman PST launched in 1983, a toolbox on your belt. The pliers are its heart, tackling tasks knives can't: gripping, twisting, fixing, and more. Every other tool, knife, screwdriver, saw, is built around this core function. I've owned this original model for 26 years and used mine to repair vehicles in tactical environments, and it's still going strong. It's the tool you grab when you don't know what problem you'll face. Not the fastest to deploy, but unmatched in versatility and depth. The Leatherman is for the thinking survivor, prepared for anything. It's a workshop on your hip, a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. When things fall apart, it puts them back together. A survival kit in itself. 3 tools, 3 philosophies, 1 mission. Stay prepared. The Swiss Army knife for daily problems, the Benchmade for critical cutting, the Leatherman for fixing what breaks. Together they form an unbreakable system of readiness. These aren't just objects, they're a mindset, a commitment to being ready for anything. Choose gear that's proven itself, learn it, and make it part of you. When the moment comes, you'll fall to the level of your training and your tools. Choose wisely, train hard, and always be mission ready.